Okay, live on YouTube. And Twitch too. Alright, sorry I'm a bit late. To be honest, I'm not expecting for anyone to be here, but this is more for school and I can use the recording. Trust me, there's no chat, I won't say your name and everything will be private. So you will stay anonymous. We can chat, but I will not use those stuff for school related stuff. So don't be ashamed to say something. Chat right here on my other monitor so I can just see it. We'll start in a bit, just checking if I sound good, if I can open my phone. Okay, phone is almost dying. Yes, I am going to watch myself, but this is for testing purposes. Alright, sounds good. Okay, you guys are hearing echoes, but not anymore. Let's type. Ooh, the cable is a bit annoying. Alright. Studio right here. I should not show you guys my perforce. Well, up a second. Alright, perforce is on the other screen. Alright, let's get to Visual Studio. Alright, we're making bomber jack. Why isn't it okay? Why is he blue? The background is transparent, but why would it be blue? The screen is up because the RGBA? Couldn't be. I wouldn't think it's because of GIMP, but anyhow, well, he's an idol, like I said, so that's good. I already made a player class for my other project, so basically I'm just testing if everything is inherited right. So let's start with moving logic. Let's just have this guy fall first. Okay, no key input because I don't think he inherited it, or I'm not calling it right. Draw is there, movement is here. Actually, look at my game, CPP. Okay. Okay, yes. Drawn, and now let's have him move. Move. On my level. Alright, that didn't work for shit. The screen is so bright. I can shut up, laptop. Good. Why? Let's look at this. Right. Share. Yeah, that looks alright. No, I'm not calling this anywhere else. No. Okay. This is more of a vibe coding stream, so I'm gonna pop out Grok. Sorry. I know you professional programmers think I'm in a big mistake, but to be honest, I don't know if I'm doing things right now. All the good, because I'm a bit lost, a bit entire inheritance stuff. Okay, no, it's not. I don't think it's inheriting the bombs. It should move. Yeah, I don't really care about debugging for now. I should be using more debugging. Should, but I'm too rushed because this is homework. Just saying, call-based movement. It doesn't have the same values because it doesn't have Y positioning, at least axes. Let's copy those. Oh, it doesn't. It does have them on 3636. Where am I actually drawing you? It does actually. Yeah. At the X positions, it gets the axes right. It's around X and Y 36. So that's good. It's right there. Actually, what if I don't think it might be confused now because I removed those, but not, so that means it does inherit those. Yeah, player. Oh, that's good. He draws him at the, okay, there he goes. Alright, yep, and I'm not clearing shit. Where did I call? I had a separate class for this. Oh, how did I do it in I had a level class. Yeah, but I stopped calling clear. And that's causing a lot of CPU usage. Where do I... I only forgot how I got those. I had that mistake before, that's why I called clear in the first place. But I forgot how I fixed it. Game class. Oh, I don't call clear again here. Also not in player. Nope. Then it's in the animation. But it inherits from this. So why would it... Why is it blue in the first place? I have no idea why. His eye looks weird. I'm gonna... What if I just make it black? For now, let's do a clear. Alright. No, don't numlock on. Alright, that works. The colors look normal. Alright, but why isn't it actually doing the animations? Like he's just an idle. I probably should like call it in the movement. Yeah. If I look at player. If I can look at player. Just yeah, shove it there. Yeah, this stats are a bit different. Are they different? Let's look at my enum class. Okay, no, we have walk right, walk left. They're actually kind of only jump and fall that are different. It does. We're playing, yeah, it is Bomberjack, so he doesn't need to go back to idle. He only is an idle at the start of the game, but the moment you start moving, he's not going back. Why? Does it not inherit it the way? What does Grok say? I made this prompt like a long time ago. Well, not a long time, today, but several hours as a preparation. So it indeed says, yeah. And this is the exact same state I made before. So he approves. That destructor is crazy. Like he wants me to make a destructor in CPP class and just call delete for every surface object, for every image object, sprite, and also sprite object. He wants to, yeah, delete it all. Like reference and delete for every object. Like no way. Destructor already does this thing. I hope. Do I need to declare it now? It's already, so it should be working. Surface right there. No, it does not need a bomb. Void. And when I find the right code, I will show you guys. Yeah, that's the exact same drawing method I have. Let's just go to the part where I think it was. Yes, draw. We're drawing. Squeamo, yep. Drawing there. Deleting. I actually don't need to delete. Right now I'm making a different game. That could be handy, but for now let's focus on this. Animate, which isn't really happening. Did I declare an animate? Yeah, yes I did. Or not. I don't think it's necessary to declare it. But what if I try? So why wouldn't it actually be nice? I had before. Changed my mind. Animate. Oh, there's a nice example right there. Just ping it from there and just paste it in. No. Anime is just a loop. Actually, I don't need to call it here. It just already inherits it from right there. See? There. Actually, where do I don't call animate in my... No. It's just pure in the draw function that I call. This can go. I'm a bit confused right here. Yeah, the drawing works. This is a bit weird. Actually, what if I just copy it? Like, structured like in the same way I have in here? I mean, that already processes the thing right here. You don't need to call it this many times. Well, actually, I sort of do. Because I think if I declare it here, it'll go, but I can't test it, so let's just leave it for now. Yeah, never mind calling the frame. I'm just gonna ask Grok. How can I? How can? Let's have you guys feel this right here. It's a bit big. It's clear for you. Okay, so it already handles everything. Setup is correct. Check player. I actually don't use this check. This is called issue move method jack player is incomplete. It's called a bit no logic is for jump or fall, but yeah, I'm not animating those yet because I have no gravity. So it's just telling me this is from the player class. Okay, so I just won't use the inner state because it's overlapping. I'm not gonna update the destructor. If it won't work, I won't. If it will work, I won't. No, it. Draw. Okay, let's start first with like removing this. Right here for now. Good. ChatGPT is also open, but that is for Photoshop. So okay, 20 minutes live. Okay. Here. And it looks like I already have it, except for this. Let's just don't use the default. It could be, I could remove it from the initializer. I don't know if this will be more efficient. Okay, so I literally just copy the movement. But if I do that anyway, why would I remove my statement if I don't inherit anything? Okay, yeah, that's the same. What's happening here? I'll add those to the... Of course I have the entities. It's still weird. I do transition. I press right, and it does. It should transition to walk right to any of these, and then it also should do these, but it doesn't. But code me. Because I didn't do that in a movement function. But that's also weird, because I think I call it here. Let's test. I don't think this is erasing that is necessary. You guys come back. Say welcome back. Yeah, right here. Why would I think that I can just copy it from here. I don't care. All the states are a bit annoying. I mean, it's the exact same thing. I'll just add those myself. I just want to add them later. But anyway, player, where are you? Oh, I already opened it. It was actually why doesn't it find them anymore? Like, okay, those are gone. Speed not defined. Wait, did I actually have to keep the declaration for the? No, he does not. Because I have nothing to inherit. Speed value will be different. Let's make it an integer for now. You can be, I don't know. But why the hell does it in? It does accept those ones, but not. Oh, different. Declared frames. Why is it wrong? Is it because that one's wrong? Oh, these ones I don't have for this class. Different things. Just jump and fall. I should also change the buttons for that. This is called, yeah, jump, fall, and that. No, whatever. Frames is, I think, 0. It should be 0. Oh, let's take it from here. Shall I take the counter? I mean, nothing special happened, so... Oh, let's take it. Speed should also not be negative. Frames right. Jump. Jump. Those are not the conditions. Oh, message. What? Oh. What's the notification on that for? It's just TikTok. Shut up. Okay. What the, some Unicode characters will not be saved in the current code page. Do you want? Sure. Okay, let's see what's happening. We actually set the states right here. But wait, why wasn't it doing that with the... Okay, yep, he's doing the state. He's not animating. Yeah, only open because that's just 1 pixel. Looking weird. Why isn't it animating? Draw. But when I say draw, it should animate. Now this will be so much more nice if I had some audience, and because it's like that in the Discord server and have somebody like do a call here. The inheritance is just not right because it did not get the input right there. Well, maybe because the states are completely different. Well, they're not completely different, and the names are the same. So why did it not inherit those from there? Like jump right here, like those were the only ones I had to add. For some reason that one also isn't blue. Why is idle in blue? This is weird. Okay, walk 4 frames. Yeah, what's going on in player class, because when I use player, I call animate its own function. If I look at it, it also calls this one. And then yeah, drawn is called in a tick. From there it updates, but it does not. Encounter going to all by speed. I have speed right here. Maybe I should just make these encounter a speed value. Let's mark. Oh, because they're private, that they can't be inherited. Okay, let's see what's happening. No. Side and frames redefinition. Oh, yeah, action. Oh god. Yep. I took a pro. Should be this one. No. No, it should speed. It should be speed. Frames. Speed. Frames. And frame counter. No. Oh, it already. Why didn't I see that? Okay, frames, frame counter, animation speed, speed value. Should be all of them. Now it still doesn't properly animate. It's fast as fuck though. Is me, or does he accelerate? No. I believe he moves kind of fast. He jumps all over the place. Yeah, I think this was the right speed he was moving. Okay. Why doesn't he animate? Let's check what's happening. From here. Just the regular draw method. Debug it. Then we had here. What is happening? those are 4 frames. It's on frame 0. Actually, do I call the ball? Where do I call this? I don't think I used it at all. Nope. No, what a waste. How could it be? Let's go back online. Oh, hello. Thank you. B. Brooklyn Blade. What's up, Big Brooklyn Light? Followed me a moment ago, but I don't see. Okay. I thought that watcher, that one viewer was me, but well, I guess you just followed me. Feel free to say hi. Yeah, it does say he does switch the. He does switch the state. What if I step into it? He calls move, yeah. And then we yeah, I think it's just heading into the tick function right now. It's right there. Step into it. Step over. Yes, close all of that. I will stop clicking. Keeps going to the loop. Check shaders. Draws the tile. Actually, this is very fine. No, I don't think I'm debugging right. Who is this guy? Attack on Titan profile. I was in the bot or something. Let's close template. Yes, I'm using a template. It's from school. It's a free to use template. Anyone can just get the template. It's on their website, boas.com.nl, whatever. No, it's called 3D Gap. It's clear. I have no idea why I won't animate. Oh, I give up. I'm gonna ask Grog. Hello, Groggy. Did I already ask you? Did I? What do you do? Yes. I'm keeping the enum state. I don't need all this exception because it has them all. I can just check it by hovering over it with my mouse. Animate. Yeah, I do use the frame thing. Did I actually rename it all? Player walk right, yes. Backward left. Player jump. Player fall. Those are the right names. I don't need that right now. What a waste of time. Doesn't need that. Handle single sprite select player or player. It only have one frame. Method will still work for these, but frames will reset the serial images in sprite at frames 1. Also frame, but you can if needed. Alternatively, keep the original anime since it's both frames. What is happening? Go here. Nice speed. Sprite frames equals return. I hope that won't mess up too much. Let's try it. Keep the entire thing. Oh, no, don't do that. Sure. Don't keep it on the side. Right here, that's prettier. fix shit. Let's just ask the question. Where is this multi-framed sprite sheets don't animate properly? Oh, we're getting 2 responses. Get notified. He's gonna think this is funny. He's doing research. Oh, that one already came with something. Fate not animating properly. Somehow frames member from player is updated, but not applied to Jack player. No, nothing. I try to place it myself. Pay move. Called player move. He's actually still thinking. Solution. Override the animation in Jack player by calling set frames on. I'm gonna try this one because I just want a proper inheritance. For now, I place this on the other monitor. Yeah, that looks the same. Okay. So you want set of sprite object for the current frame it's on. And then for each. Okay, and then we're gonna reference it. Okay, now I understand. Well, that is a better approach. Damn. Instead of calling it for each separately. Alright, let's take the line to set it to wrong class. Here, just sprite it. Into idle. Then you go to be right. Oh shit. can be left. You can be fall. And you can be jump. And then if we have R on the current sprite, I should probably tell this was Grok idea. I'm not gonna lie. I should learn from my mistakes, and I'm pretty sure that he will tick me on my finger. Okay, cost by set frames, get a remainder of the current size frames, save modulo for a single frame. Oh yeah, because I can't get a remainder. And then we draw it. Oh yes. Okay, so that's basically the same. So with this, and then oh, it's there. Probably so just say it's a null pointer. No, that doesn't work for shit. What does that say? Update for transition state. So it does actually add the boom right there, but inside of the method. Free state is true, of course. Then it does the fix we just made. Of course it doesn't work, it's still wrong. Where's the approach? Oh. Now this has a less. Actually, this is a better solution. What just happened? Am I sleeping? Oh no, it's here. Okay, so add a ball in there and just make it true. Each time we're moving, so each time we do the input, I don't actually need to set the frames each time. So I'm going to place this line. So weird white makes this weird space. Look, that looks better. This is nice. It's true. It's still, it's not looping through the animation. Is the size not good? And it's still, why is this blue? What the hell? almost an hour. Oh man, it's just getting late. Animate. Reset. Go to frames, resetting it all. No, nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. Okay, plan B. What does it say? It makes a special case. Oh, it does the entire thing for E in each case. Then in the movement, there isn't much going on. But here it does inherit from the player class. Oh shit, don't do it. I accidentally said both. Oh, whatever, it's nothing bad's gonna happen. Okay, I'm just gonna be a lazy ass. Check what happens. Copy paste it all. Not exactly, it's just a test. Right into the state. Okay, so each time just do a second check if it's actually getting a sprite. Then we set the frame, we draw it, and animate. But I don't think this will actually fix it. Idle. Walk right. Player, walk left. Yes. Fall. Jump. There we go. I don't need the default thing, the movement, the reference to, and also he wants to track the state. Don't know why. Why it cannot be initialized player state. Why not? did not actually reference. Check player state. Okay, now it's fixed. Move. Get rid of this. Something exists, so we can call it. Yeah, all he does is like speed and change the state. Then he resets the frames. This big ol' state. What is going wrong? The state instead of, oh yeah, jack. Okay. No syntax. Get out. Still not right. No, I think it's a sprite. This is just a mess. I like the other approach more. This is what I like. Actually, what about what if I just get rid of all of this? It won't work. Oh, it does, but it doesn't animate. That's so sad. Why? Then I need to remove it, I think. He doesn't have idle. There's idle. And it needs full. No, it still doesn't get the fucking thing. Why? Wait a second, I did not actually call a finger. Whoops, you can go back. Oh, you're here. Because that one. I shouldn't make weird noises. I'm not seeing chat. No, even with all of the player class defined, it still doesn't properly animate, so it... okay, I need to find a different way to call him. Unblock it all. Why isn't it getting those two? It's alright here. Oh, there they are. Let me think. Oh my god, no! Spammer. Why can't I just tap on my chat and say it's a spammer? Spam. Bot. Sure. Right, gone. Well, actually, what if I just grab this from Rock? Why does he not get it? No, then he just doesn't like it at all. Inaccessible. Oh yeah, private. It's just right there in the corner. Oh my god. Actually, what if I call this? Now you're gonna be weird. Come on, any moment. Or not. I'm expecting an error. There we are. Okay, let's try. Okay, not allowed. Public it is. Now you're going to change or not. Nope, you're overlapping. Get rid of this. Actually, I did not want to look at that at all. Some movement actually works as just no. Where are we looking at? Get them back. Oh man, it's up and down with this. Yes, I want it to be. Actually, why do I even bother? Now you have idle. Don't need this. Should I just keep one? That's better anyway. Actually, do I need to keep? I don't need it in the player class at all. I can just make a state map in a different file with all kinds of things and just target a different map instead of keeping it in a class. Okay, let's see what's happening. Man is not moving at all. That's so stupid. isn't animating at all because it wants to get the keys. It does get a key, but it does not actually change the state map itself. Get rid of all green. And this is sloppy. Come back. Okay. And now you will animate again. Well. I don't understand why. So he does call this. It does process the input. It does this part. But it doesn't do this. Why? Smoke right. It's the exact same. I have no idea. I'll see if somebody's awake tomorrow. But yeah, I will end it for now. I'm tired and I need to get up early, so thank you for watching and have a good night. No special shoutouts, it's or outro. It's a school project. So yeah, goodbye, bye.